I mean, seriously, nothing can beat this. Welcome back, guys. We're going to be doing episode 2. Alright, guys, welcome back. In the last video, we did episode 1, which we completed. Actually, I already completed all of them. And just to be clear, the ranking for this one was Negotiations was first place. Second place was Darth Maul, which is all at number 5. Third place has got to be Retake Theed Palace. Fourth place is Escape from Naboo, and then last place is Mos Espa Padres. And out of all of them, if I actually rank episode 1, I think I rank episode 1 as a solid 3.5 out of 5 stars. It's a good level. But the nostalgia, because of the nostalgia, I'll probably push up to a 4. Actually, probably with the game as a whole, I'll probably push it up to a 4. Today we're going to be doing episode 2, Attack of the Clones. We're going to be going through each level. So we got Discovery on Camino. Droid Factory, that's a good one, I like that. Jedi Battle. Gunship Cavalry. Count Dooku. So let's start off with the Camino. We're going to do this in free play just like last time. So the characters here. I end up getting a copyright strike for the music, but I don't care. Alright, we're going to speedrun this, like with all the other ones, so... I've completed this level so many times. This is kind of a difficult one because I gotta use the D-pad for this. Okay, then I need to switch to R4. So this is where we're gonna meet Jango Fett. I actually found like a little, I wouldn't say glitch, but I found a way to defeat Jango Fett early on. It's to do this. Come on. There. There. No more Jango Fett. We defeated him. Oh, and no more Palpatine either. Alright. Yeah, so it's like a little glitch for that one. But hey, you're able to defeat him. This is where it gets a little tricky because you got these things here. Oh. Where are they? There they are. There's no way to pass this net. Is it the next one? This one here? Oh, I meant to jump. Yeah, this one here. Yeah, see, yeah, you die every time. Bro, jump. I think overall this level is pretty short. Speedrunning is not that bad. Alright, and then you defeat Django for the last act here. So I'll probably just end up shooting at him overall. Ah, get back here. Get back here. There we go. So that was okay. I'll probably put Camino. Well, out of all the other levels on episode 2, I'd probably put Camino maybe third or fourth place for now. Jedi Battle's like the GOAT. That's probably first place for this one. Droid Factoring is probably going to be a second place for me. Droid Factory is fun. So this is episode 2. Attack the Clones. Guess in order to proceed on, you got to defeat all the Geonosians. They're okay. Ooh, that was a close one. Not too. Oh, come on. Oh, okay. So yeah, you die, you restart. My friends did. Oh, the frame rate's a bit iffy. Surprised. Usually the frame rate's pretty good. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Okay, good. I didn't restart. I'll get the target here. Now, the cool thing with IG-11 is that he can hack into pretty much anything. So he was able to access that just fine. So, more Geonosians. We got this secret passageway over here, which takes to this place back here. With a Droideka, which I'll just defeat him like that. And like a little side mission right here. You just gotta get... Which, you'd get a collectible or a mini kit, but I already got that one, so... Either it's a mini kit or a red brick, I don't remember, I'm not sure. I think it might have been a red brick. You can just jump up here. I don't know why they have that like that. Defeat this thing here. Now this is where you gotta get either R2. You can get R2. No, yeah, you gotta have no choice but for R2 or R4 for that matter. And he's able to unlock that for my buddy. Alright, and now we gotta save Obi-Wan, which I'll just do. There. So that was level 2. So I gotta put Droid Factory for first place for now. This guy, what was this one? Droid Discovering. No, I guess I'm gonna set it. No, my bad. Jedi Battle is first place. That's first place. Second place is Droid Factory. Third place is Discovery on Kamino. Gunship Cavalry is last place, but the fight on Dooku, that's good too. Now, pretty much the whole mission takes place in the arena, which is alright, and then at the end, after you save everyone, you fight a bunch of droids and stuff, Genosians, and then you fight, Jango Fett. So, it's alright. It's pretty fun. It's also the first time you get to play as Mace Windu. Actually, I think it's the first and last time you ever get to play as Mace Windu. So this here is Gunship Cavalry. Again, just like with the most Esper Pod Race, this one's alright. I'll probably put last place. It's not really a game I want to see myself come back to all the time. It's more of an arcade style, but I prefer more of a on-ground levels, and it's really hard to turn with the buttons on the DS here. Yeah, so it's alright. I give it last place. So here we're going to be fighting Count Dooku. This one's actually, I'm probably put like third place for Attack of the Clones. This is actually a pretty fun fight. So you pretty much just chase Dooku into his lair. You gotta defeat some droids, and then in the second wave, you gotta defeat some Genosians, but, you know, it's alright. And then there is a secret area right here. If you complete this section here, you go to the secret area back here that a lot of people seem to forget. You gotta complete, like, this little mission here. These are fun. Oh, that's nice. Oh, this one's a bit interesting. This one took me a while to understand. Well, that's just it. Playing off the DS, it's really hard to control the character. It's like you can't get everything, not even landing on it at some points. Come on. I never understood this one. Yeah. Anyways, continuing on, we end up finding some Genosians. We have to unlock the door here because Dooku closed it on us. We do have collectibles to collect, but again, like I said, I already played this game, I already collected everything. I have to open this up for my buddy here to jump up, and then he'll push down the next one, which then I can jump up myself. Which then I can unlock the door that way. And then after that, you then go back and do Dooku. So, and that's pretty much it. So that's it to you. That is episode 2. I think Dooku I'd probably put for 3rd place. 1st place is Jedi Battle. Actually, no. 1st place is Droid Factory. 2nd place Jedi Battle. 3rd place is Dooku. 4th place is Discovery on Camino. And last place, the 5th one, that's Gunship Cavalry. So overall, I rate episode 2 probably 3.5 out of 5 stars, but 4 out of 5 stars just for the nostalgia. So stay tuned for episode 3. Probably going to take a break for a while, but we'll do episode 3 when we... Well, just stay tuned. Turn on notifications, stay subscribed, and we'll do episode 3. So be taking a break for a while, but we'll get back to this in a couple days. So see you guys later.